Hi everyone, as we have committed to proceed with the chapter Justice from the political theory. So, in that series, we are writing the another answer which is comment on distributed justice. So, our question is comment on distributive justice. So, this is our question. This question was asked in 2018. So, let us try with this answer. Okay. So, first of all, we'll write that distributive justice justice principles govern what? Govern the allocation of resources, wealth, and opportunities in a society. In a society, it aims to address how benefits and burden of economic and social system should be fairly distributed. Okay, so this is basically kind of definition you can write. Then we proceed with the Rawls theory of justice, right? The Rawls theory of justice theory of justice argues that a just society is the one is one that ensures fair distribution of this distribution based on the principle of basically what is and difference principle. Amartya Sen in the idea of justice argues that justice argues that justice should not only be about achieving perfect fairness, in terms of basically what is and resources, but also about addressing the actual social injustices through raising the capabilities, right. On the other hand जो that utilitarian जो है like utilitarians like Bentham suggest that resources should be distributed in a way that maximizes overall happiness, right. Libertarians like such as Robert Nozick argues for minimal state intervention, and protection of individual right, protection of individual property rights. According to Nozick, redistribution of resources is unjust. Why? Because it violates the personal liberty, he even calls it as a forced labor, right. In practice, in practice distributive justice is relevant in contemporary times to reduce inequalities through progressive taxation as justified from the Rawlsian grounds. So that's all. So this is the answer which we can write here. Okay.